指纹唔但会当辨识身份，即马嘛会当摕来测灵感。这是英国的研究人员利用这手顶头的肝来分析两白质的成分来看敢有得到灵感。
伫金属片顶外用砖头甲点3个，接落来甲金属片放入去移起来，另做分析。英国的研究团队研发出简单的灵感监测法，只要分析砖头顶悬的肝内面的两白质成分敢无正常，就会当知影敢有着灵感的风险。
By having the patient swiping the fingertip on the metal support, we effectively transferring a very thin layer of sweat from their fingertips directly onto the metal support. And sweat contains a lot of different molecules, but what we're interested in is proteins.
法兰西斯教授讲，过去伊是用砖头顶悬的肝来做化学分析和质谱分析，主要针对法医的领域。几当前伊才发现讲，嘛会当用来做医学的诊断，会当伫咧摕到检测者的线谱了后，和灵感的线谱来做比对，而且用 AI 来处理这质谱数据。这个新研发的方法简单够紧，而且无侵入性，慢慢忍受传统零摄影的过程中，令无红压起来迄种痛。
So where the patients come and take this simple, painless, non-invasive test, and if they are clean, if they don't have the pathology, they are spared from undertaking mammograms or biopsies.
专家希望讲未来这砖头顶悬的肝的检测，会当做灵癌体检的第一道风扇，互妇女朋友袂因为无想要做零摄影，煞无法度早期发现、早期治疗。公司新闻张辉丽报道。